Stop! What are you doing? Trae AI just dropped. It's the biggest update yet. Custom agents, auto run commands, web and doc context, free LLM access, and the most powerful tool, MCP, Model Context Protocol. This is not just an upgrade. It's the future of building with AI. Let me break it down. Alright, now we'll see what kind of change Trae AI are changed right now, what kind of update they are released. So first of all, we want to see what kind of update they are actually updating. Let's see the one thing. Few days ago, this Trae AI, this is the Trae AI official website. They say that for improving, they are actually try to improve the stability, merge the chat and builder panel. This is a super fantastic things. They actually merged the chat and builder panels. Now you can access builder as an agent using builder. You can actually access builder as an agent using builder. For more information, refer. Okay, so this is a really super interesting. So I will explain you later. Another things is added docs and web as two type of context. For example, doc, you can add docs from URL or uploading. You can actually upload docs or URL for uploading, and then you can add 1000 files with total size within the 50 MB. Could you imagine? You can add 1000 files. And another one is for web, and you can paste, just if you actually paste the URL, and AI will automatically search the web page and extract relevant content as a context. So that's awesome. That's really awesome, really. So another one things like rules. So support the setting up the rules to manage AI behavior, including user rules. Lots of people are actually, and they have a misconceptions like user rules and project rules. They feel that this is the kind of similar, but this is not similar. They have a huge difference. Like user rules are created on your personal preference and will be applied to all project. Understand? Like I will explain it in more details. And project rules, like rules are created on one project and only work in the project. That's also awesome. This is bro, I can't wait for that to explain it. And another things is provide and improve the agent capability, provide to build in agent builder and builder with MCP. They are also actually add another things is builder and builder with MCP. Super powerful. And another things is like support models and model context protocol, MCP. So let's go in the Trae AI right now. So this is the Trae AI, and that how you want to download and how you want to basic giving the prompt of basic use, right? So right now we are talking about like update. So what kind of new update they are updating right now? Super awesome. So let's see. The first of all, you can actually write in prompt in here. Okay, first of all, like this is the agent, is it? So if I click in the agent, that is the things like you can choose the builder and builder with MCP. Okay, so that is a super powerful when you select the builder with MCP. But for example, I'm select the builder. Okay, so right now if you are giving the prompt, for example, I'm giving the prompt, create a landing page with hero features and footer. Okay, this is my prompt. And if actually click in, and then the builder will play the rules like building the website. So and then if you can actually select like the rule, for example, like builder will be look like kind of your teammate. For example, you can giving the create the one builder, one agent. For example, like hey my agents, hey my AI agent, you can be my teammate. Like your work just only you will review my code. Okay, another things is you are giving the another position. So like hey my builder, you are working for my you will see the name, project name structure is okay or not. And then you are giving the permissions. Another things is like hey my project teammate, builder would be look like a teammate. Hey my builder teammate, you will play the rules. You actually maintain the designing part. So in this way you can create the many more build a teammate AI agent. This is awesome things, right? So, and also they are actually add many more things like Cloud 3.5 Sonnet and Cloud 3.7 Sonnet. If you're actually using a cursor or another editor, so this time you have to pay, bro, for using this, but the Trae AI provide you completely free. So for example, I'm using 3.7 Sonnet. This is more powerful, and then even though ChatGPT 4.1. So if you are using cursor, so this time you have to pay like $20 for using this, and then this is awesome. Then for free right now, still they're free, providing the free. So this times you can use super way everything. And if I talk about another AI, like AI tool, they provide you like premium version, and they provide you Trae AI. Say, bro, you don't want to pay much more money, come in and come to me, and then I will provide you everything is free, bro. By the way, this is the models and everything, lots of things. You can Gemini 2.5 Pro, Sonnet, lots of things, 3.7, right, DeepSeek. So you can actually select, and select 3.7 Sonnet. Another things is contest. So docs file, you can upload docs file. For example, I already talked about these things, like you can doc, you can upload the 1000 files with total size was 50 MB. And another things is like web, just you can paste the URLs and AI will automatically search the web page. Understand that? That means like if you select the web doc or file code, there is a new feature, bro. So okay, and then and if I talk about the image, so also you can actually upload, and there is the new features and image, and there is a totally completely free. And this is awesome, bro. So and let's talk, let's go with another section. If I click the setting icon, we are see the 5 thing as an MCP and context, rules and models. So agent, okay, in agent you can create your own agent. What kind of rule you want to provide. For example, I create the agent, you can give in the agent name, blah blah blah, and then you can actually explain the prompt what kind of role he will play that, right? So and then you can actually also set the MCP server in this way. There is in this way you are actually create your own agent. So this is the agent, and if I talk about that, another things is the MCP. So MCP is the that if I talk about the what is the MCP, what are MCP server? MCP is model context protocol. So enable large language model to access, custom, handle and service. MCP servers are local service that support this protocol. Okay, provide tool and features and extra things. So if I add the MCP, so this time you can choose lots of things like in Puppet, GitHub. So using these, so these times you can actually extend your MCP and lots of things in here. So you can explore in this by yourself. You will, I personally feel that you will like it, bro. And if I talk with the context and the context, I already talk about that rules. Let's talk about the rule section, the rule part. So if I talk about the rules, lots of people are say what is the rules. So for example, so in here have 2 rules. Okay, one rule is user rules and another was the project rules. For example, if I talk about that, so what is the user rule? User rules means user specific coding style. Okay, so like but when you are save the user rules, they will follow the one thing, the preferring naming name conversations, and match their formatting preference like semicolons, tab, specific, the word are related to user. Okay, so and lots of things they actually prefer library or tools, like you can select the library. For example, every person's have a different kind of unique things. You can at the beginning time you can fix it, and for example like Tailwind, CSS, bootstraps and what XJS or Fast, whatever, bro, you can fix it as a user, right? So if I talk about that and what they want to follow, and what they want to avoid, also you can say it. Then if I already mentioned that framework, what kind of framework they can follow and what kind of things they can avoid that. And in naming folder, lots of actually AI agents, they do mistakes. So you can actually say how they want to do the name folders, so a lot of things, avoiding overwriting, rewriting. So that is the user specific, like user rules. Okay, and then maybe right now you understand that if I talk about that AI editor project rules, so what is that AI, there is a project rules. If I talk about the project rules, so the following project coding standard, I can give the I can say everything like, hey bro, you want to follow this kind of rules, hey you want to actually maintain the project coding standards. Okay, so and respect the language and framework, and avoiding a hard coding secret and API keys. A lot of things we can actually fix it. So if I talk about that, for example, like how can I do that? For example, I try to copy it in here, from here, blah blah, lots of things. Okay, that is the user, rules. And if I when I click in here, so simply just I can paste, and then that would be kind of user rules. Okay, and the same way, if you want to set the like a project rules, in this way you can set also the project rules. Understand that? I think you are understanding that, like how you want to set the user rules and project rules. Okay, so another things is like models, and I already talked about models, like, so that is also awesome things, and you will explore this kind of things. And I am really happy to see it, this kind of update, and then you can easily use this kind of models and totally free, bro. So let's see, and still they're free, providing the free. So let's see the one. If you are not building with Trae AI right now, you are building in the past. Smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready to try agent, MCP, and full on AI automation. And I will see you inside the future.